Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
So, you're a mother. Imante honey, I go one with you. Be almost so super well at you. Almost so super well at you. Or say now when you answer your way. If I tell I'm giving you money video now. So, I'm a video panny washing. If I just the waka they go now watch the video. So I'm a video panny washing out to damn him and near where. That matter no, because it only take me in a video. Ma save na song and na be a ya damn a video. You're most the way I come of warning, nor a musia. When we are feeling gay, a do. You have working when anything. Okay, you were Emmanuel, Emmanuel. Which means a tell what we hear repent with me done with cow. If you don't know one in Avia, it may take why I say now I had a joy of oxycatation. If you don't know one, I have a way, I'm not putting the level of Hirokoropa soon my way. Even when a Hirokoropa soon, but you guys don't die Nika, young with your hair. But no one else, you don't want quarrel or can't do me, can't wear me, but I mean, down in Tani, all that believe well, just so get a color for Nive, Musia. Ya tamo ko ni be musia we no ya fi no gieto ama so lo gwa hia ku we ke hia ke no ju wa so won ga di mo fi ke ya fefe ama se o lo gwa hia ama se o ju gwa hia wa we tu wa egbe we ra fo ma ro pa wa ya fi no gieto wa mo edogbo to wa be ke ni brafa wa ma be ni brafa je ju wa he ni wa be ke no je ju wa he e brafa fi ye ke gbu wa ni ya ma ni ju wa ya we urobo data brafa edo brafa edo is never a brafa. There is never a time that edo will be brafa. Edo is not brafa. Adumegu no more brafa unless a brafa gari Abidjan was 30. Now you come gegele we kadere ado so na kale ari Israel but se no mana to tayo wa mege lodon na ya be ya mu okay, there's one Igbo woman no be agwa be because you know say na the Ijore ladia because he hon we yan we Ijore o tie woman ni be musia ga agwa egun oni no ma be total no be calculated re emuwe no nwa about this word doni story na matama we na ma ya koko we nwe ma ho uno jegide we na igwa do ho we na igwa mu oni we na oni wa mu hia it's learn to odame nu wa gbe ijoro moze no problem kemi no mariri o da worry uga we bi ese ni jaba we buta uga we mi dan ni jaba we buta o ya ba we buta o ya dia he we buta iwe brafa ni yahu wane ige we video pa ni ge be na ni only that one all these Igbo people when anything concerning Bini and Isha make una not talk put. If Bini and Isha they quarrel, make I use English they talk. If Bini and Isha they quarrel, it be like as mother and son, or mother and daughter, husband and wife they quarrel, and so it be. Any outsiders where you can't talk put that person and in head now we go take settle. It's a warning to all those Igbo people where they talk. Because I see one woman they do one video today say when this one call the tell her and say all those girls where they serve, where they carry come from foreign land. Who tell you say they carry girls come from foreign land? And they ask you anything you say there is freedom of worship. The Christianity when you say you be so you they go church. The Bible not be from foreign land, not be you go carry Bible come when you come start to the when you come know Christian, when you come know Jesus Christ. Bible now your papa and your mama na carry Bible come. Do you know anything about Christ before? If any Bini person go to worship Ayela and they worship Ishangani till they carry and come from foreign land, what is your you people people business over that. But it concern una when I come take am dey talk say the woman say that juju wey dem dey serve for Benin e no good, make dem stop am. That woman e no serve am. The time when Isha people bring Azelu come, if you don't agree and Azelu, abi Azelu all test and carry. If you don't agree and Azelu, you ma Azelu jo gba begeli. Huh? We Benin, we welcome all religion. Anything when they bring, we dey welcome and we dey worship am. Any religion at all when they carry come Benin, we dey welcome. As we dey welcome people, and so we dey welcome religion. We believe, particularly me, I believe in all religion. No religion when me I never practice, when I don't know into detail. And when I enter any religion, I must go to the top. That's why I dey do. No religion where I never practice. I don't practice Islamic and I baptize, I get my Islamic name. I don't practice Hindu. I don't practice Buddhist. I don't practice Christianity. Even a tradition juju, I don't do one. I have my own mommy water spirit. What is the water now? Anything where you are freedom. I was born and brought up in a Christian home. My mother was an usher in Deeper Life before she died. But that will not prevent me. My mother not force me say I must follow and go Deeper Life. Say I must be there. Because me I don't like the way the doctrine, the way they do for Deeper Life, because I don't want old before my time. Which one I will come to dictate for person say that one anybody, any Igbo person in Yoruba, make one not put on a map for Benin. Anything between Benin and Isha. If we dey quarrel tomorrow, we go settle. We know how to settle ourselves. Benin and Isha, we are the same. Now the same water, now the same blood, now they flow for our blood. If we carry cutlass, carry gun, take fight today. Another person when you walk up put him mouth, now in head, now we will take settle. So make any Igbo person, any Brafa person, make we not talk put or make we not take side for one person. Now we know what it did. What did they bring all this problem? When they dig all this problem, now we know. We know what they bring the problem, they come outside. And by the special grace of God, our ancestors go settle us, go settle this problem one day. So we don't want any Igbo person, any Yoruba person, any Fulani person, make it come put their mouth. And I see that woman they talk today say Fulani won't come settle for Benin. If na Igbo now, all of us don't come out. You never see the video where they don't do about me. I don't do two times. Now don't do video concerning Fulani. We don't need any of them. Make una stay on our place. Igbo stay for in place. Fulani stay for your place. Yoruba stay for your place. What is they call them? Hausa. Everybody make una stay for our place. Make una house is a container now. We don't need you now at all. We don't need you now. Make una just sit down. Everybody make una go sit down for our country, on our place. We don't say make una not get to our Biafra country. Una fit get to our Biafra country. That will not concern anybody. So for the land wey belong to una, na only that one go occupy. Na no fit come occupy another person land. You understand? We don't belong to Biafra, and we will never be Biafra. Never in history. We will never be Biafra. We can never. Those foolish ones who don't have brain, where they say they belong to Biafra, if they want to follow them, we not carry them go. There be bad market. We don't need them. Where they can follow una, they go. Maybe they just follow una, they go. We don't need them. Bad market. They are prodigal sons and prodigal daughters of Benin Kingdom. So we don't need them. Make they follow una, they go. But meanwhile, you people are one. Make una not anything when concern Benin and Isha. Make Igbo person not put mouth. Una not fit settle us. Yoruba make una not put mouth. Hausa make una not put mouth. Una just leave us. We be one blood. We be now one water. Now we drink. We know how we will take settle ourselves. Our ancestors, any cow will settle us. Those people when we say they when they dey behind this matter, when they for ground, so we go see as how Onika will do them. 100 years, not be forever. Not be forever. Oh. Now is something just pay me as long here say Ijore na still call that one. And the one when they for ground, my emu we let the baby ya set your baby. Ya call on when no ya empower on my baby. Ọwọ́ máa wọ ọmọ inú wa yá pé bẹ́tọ̀ ṣàlóbùwá kẹ́kẹ́ níka èdìyẹn doni òtọ̀nù ẹ̀dọ́ni ọ̀hìn àná wa bẹ́ẹ̀ wà láwùjọ wà máa hó ní òtẹ́ doni sẹ́tọ̀ ní wà máa gbálẹ̀ sẹ́tọ̀mẹ́tì ìdá ẹ̀dọ́ni ṣàlóbùwá kẹ́kẹ́ níka èdìyẹn doni ọ̀hìn àná wa wà sọ ọ̀hìn àná wà wà fún wa ma ho oge ni ke ni me wa ho ge ni ke eri o ha ma eri o ma ha ma o salo bo ojo mo no ma that one no concern me Uhama o umahama it's none of my business. Me masa ti je yin ame for me wo na gbo me gari no wa. Even ni ari enu we o salo bo na pa ke kan no jagbo no je mi o se ti ye no wa. The only no ja me believe the only thing wey make me believe because also we get Edimofi obo kan o ka ta be de do ugu ma ko mo ge isi to take hale ya kwa na we Burkina Faso go na agbegbi age Burkina Faso. Ire ya we video one time. So that is the reason he cannot believe where maybe e mata gele no go Uhama ula jande do Uhama ina we congratulations we na we pon salobua do go bi ata o working here o and that I'm less concerned about that iri omo no ma iri o salobua no jo mo no ma e we ima ho ni ri enu e de salobua be ima se be ri oni e ma seti we gbe me we me ka u no wa be o salobua ri e me be pon ma be jo o salobua be ri no be pon ma jo do ma be de do ge go atoge o ge nu we tani na uwe when we ya brainwash away man ya make na believe where there is power in salt and water ministry on o se we na ladin do take gbe be yan do we hen akegbe ni ya ma we akomo e ha lokwa na eyan ha wa na ministry we ya grow or you we do give a testimony that kind we o ha wa no sa lo pa we no and everybody believe somebody like me gele wa believe because me e no ma sunu me setting latin do wa ya ivo magbon ya we ge o e no ma sunu ni ade do time agbon we eri mi na na ri ogele ya sunu gbera se na ni ma de sunu i setting time e ku emu me ado me oge no do na bia oge na you know oga oge wo gi yen oga bi e mata salo boaro sabe o salo boagwero you understand. So now toge bile gbe be oni toge ne ministry we ya grow ema we fe ko tene we tene pe ni keta ma we tene na ga no pe ya se we a many viewers say ya ko to bi ya go ogo ga uje ile gwajo ga ufi wa beg o odojo ko bu ijo le gwajo ko bu after all we live video for no boni etie wa na no ge wa se titi gbagbo boni ijore wa dojo go bu kiyen ke ni na ga no pe no be le si a oni be jogo bu wa dojo wa dojo ijore jogo bu wa dojo wa dojo jere jogo bu wa dojo ga no pe jogo bu wa dojo go bu wa dojo ko aga no pe ke ya wa ya se jogo bu where ti dey gbe we lati won gbe ujogo bo ujo aga no pere bible aga no pere bible ti aga no pe nene mi ni ka o no pa wo yo no pa mo aga no pe wo bo no pa aga mo ni ka o ni ka o ga to ni me o ga no wa photocopy ni wa pe you wa me be na me ma understand on you o ga do pa ke kan me wa wa ga itoni fo ne wa we bible je ga wa get bo whereas Bonnie Waga, they are the same thing. Oh, you what an men know the church where they I'm not a Christian. You must be a church now. I don't see start to the go church. You must be a church in it. Wamaha, you must be a church in it. So a church in the major. So for a pastor, pan of preaching my medal. I will preach, again. I will allow my pastor. A pastor walking. O de na mi we ya ni ho ni wa to ta ni wa kele kakabogun what do you want to say ta ma me o yan wo ma na gi ma to ta e guide wa na e ma na ko to ta of me chemist o pa ba ni ke na to ta yan boy ji ba ni ma na to gumegun na gumegun wa ta na wo kele awo my brother my pastor when u ga gbe benesi u ga gbe dem mila if you want to preach a Bible way. The guan kind sadoga Bonnie. You understand? Because a buggy many ime waredi ime cookie go ni me ya we me. You understand? So do bono when you say ya ogun do boyin me gbere. Oge Bible no ro me wa we gwa ti Bible fine. Emi no ma no wa we Bible wa we gwa wa we. So Bible wa we fun ime na. So I preaching. Una kama we ya so chapter ibe ya ke emi no salo ba we na o we ba ni ya fe le ri e mo bo ibe ya ku bi agbon yin me we mi dan wa ima me mi dan mi no ma gba ima ma dan wa and I quote I'm a pastor, and I will allow Ugan Bebenes, Ugan Benemila. You want to preach the word of God for me? Preach for me. No, he was a time, over why my mother tell but my Kenya everyone, the good ones, if they cook off your head. Don't tell me to throw away my idol. No. If you want to be my friend, you are a preacher, you want to be my friend, preach your Bible. What my Bible preacher? People are saying, well, why you get born in a bono in a foreign land? A Bible, one Bible, a foreign land, Christianity carry. Islamic is a foreign religion. Christianity is a foreign religion. While I criticize that the way a dog ashigidi, ogun, isago, anything say where foreign land okay. The Bible you are holding is a foreign religion. The Quran you are reading is a foreign religion. So why won't go back? So you don't have right to accuse Benin people at all. If you have a friend who are foreign, no. We might check it where we are talking about. Talk your own. Or your mom parrot near that talk your own. You have to check yourself. Them we gelu dog leg bar before we can do we can accuse them of a church in where Johnny is a foreign religion. So don't have any I get above a foreign idol. So man who certainly accuse her because who is also a foreign the same thing. Up power if I back him, up I go back with him. You understand? So I know we and Monica or John, we and church. Oh, I went over and take papa never for, or we and set it papa, not take papa, you do. Well, when we get who I get, but what a nickel, airborne, no. I know another South Juju, now Nika, the South, Nika not be Juju. You know why, Nika airborne, no. I be the 10 commandments not anywhere. Thou shalt not serve any other gods before me, or make any graven image to worship before me. That commandment in me, Wamatia. Wamatia will understand the meaning of that commandment. So, when we get the moment you make any graven image, una picture yesterday, no way picture, motor, one picture. Either no popo, no, una iga worship, una iga ya leru. You are now worshiping idol. Do what my idol worshippers are working. Me no wala jana we me wa get bona. Me na wa ha we hey su no. Me na wa ha we su because my Bible ya go. I can never do that. I come and play name in Nikita my agbon work e nana eikin. You understand? Any back away na. It may be I maybe a glass in none or a phone, and I go okay, a glass in here, yeah, my phone, that one with phone, if people will believe. Oh, and Waunania. Somebody or joggable, or gobbo, or joggable, or consultable, or consultable, or I like young away salt and water, and get Bible, or my Bible Latin that we are yelling. Or my Bible Latin or take verse or power with Bible. No, or my tear there. Why then when I cure who are you who are ya to what your mamma talking? When I said it to time, okay, oh, let me sit down and think. A man who not get it and I want to or a man not turn or get it be no why and what a Bible. What ye? Why to tap then wow a neck bua? Why to tap then wow a neck bua? Where ye matter or matter who not get it out? Eh, matter tie. Why to tap them? Never. When you what to tap? Why we to tap wow a neck bua? So why la jan area kia will la jan woo wow. Area machine gun la jan woo wow. I'm going to turn it then. No, that's why I love your kids. What he ever tanania. Area that for la low hill, only what give it, only give it the latest nan what give it tanani. I will eat baby, die fair fenna who look over when I have a fenama on a platform in Manike. Why was so gay is Ozilizaga? When you talk, Wagata on all the time, Oga waking ya, Oga waking ya, Oga waking ya, Oga mene, on your was so can. I can a marriage woman in new Ekiabu you to degbe every blessed day from 6 to 6. inye kia buhe ni ohia wa na ebi wado responsible woman no we yan wo bi agbaro responsible woman no ti egbe woman of God we ni na onsa ni we ke no sa lo buaje nobody no ma onsa esu kalo obo onsa sefosu esu nesu obo be onsa nobody ka wu we onsa ye ma ni ka e ma onsa ni no ma onsa agbon ye fefe no ma onsa esu to bo esu obo be onsa we the time away so oga guna gele ya oga obu gele joko ni ke enika ogewe du ma be joko ni ke enika oge zoro nu egbe mo o ko wa no giri ije kiyan ni ya uje dogbo to o wa ni o sa lo gba keke nika o kan so vege no pe o sa lo gba we nika o kan emi no kan we no pe I cannot say we ere nika oga we because I can't decide for enika enika oge do ni oge photocopy ni wa bunja mebe mana ni wa za mebu meji o e o ni meka oge do ni emeka iyo re nu wa take time wo no abi bari ni zele ni wa fe ko wa se ya bo wa gu ho na gbon wa ma we wa iyo bi ba ni wa zele ni o ma bege be ni TB Joshua ya end up we o ma bege be no ya end up we oh who oga ibaladian oh preach a peace help the poor, save the poor, give alms to the poor, make peace, love, appreciate love. But you can, omuri, view manipulate activities, not always destiny or destroy life of many people. But all balajon ba appreciate love, appreciate help the poor. Uma bege ende. TB Joshua win gbe Idahosa now. Idahosa died at the age of 59 bi yeah ma say 60 I think 59 yen bo yen na die at your market ya say 58 for bogu o bege we no hu we gbo ma awon no gbo ma to be jo we no hu we gbo ma we ma yen ma gija doke yan gigbe de yan gigele gbe o ja e mo nu o yen ma gija ba ni Idahosa we jagbona Idahosa we pese bagbona we senye bege you know we egbo ma o yen we ma gi to so we ma gi to so say we o ma nu we gbe you see yourself wa bege what do la don do proud where is a pride wu gbo ma wa o ma gudo ka wo gbe we kian gu wa hwe ami o ro pa le kian wu. There is nobody no here ragbona no no salobo here ka we kian wu o ero salobo ma ka wo ru pa jagbona as that do get here efe jowa ijo de we wa do abi de na because I bu o de ni we ho ma we ho I bu o de nu ho o ga ge ne de no na agbo egbo mi na aga no pese ge latin o do latin we wa ra gbo egbo me ri yen gi mi ni na ti gi san we gbe na san ita mena wo le kian Victoria no je ni de gbe ri ya gbiyan eva ku gbe yan be wiyan ti ege ijore lare google ebwega o maka boro gbe ba o ma se 3 hours journey ija lare again o de ama under 2 hours ku ebwega su go le unless maybe o de gi ma panu those kind thing u go be wega mare ne gbe go wa gba kini yeah, why no? Together you must live as one. Aga no pebi jore. Together you must live as one. Together you must live as one. Aga no pome kenu lerie. Together you must live as one. Uwe manu filo nu gemu di jore. Uwe kya igbado ka wunya. Uba we kya do ka wunya we jore ema. No, you is a nice person. Together you must live as one. Together you must live as one. Aga no pome kenu lerie. Together you must live as one. Itama when I anytime wa left here, gba we kinai. We kenu lerie Victoria ji. Gba we kinai. Who go wa le aru go we wega. Gba wa fake gbe. We kenu leri obedo settle with we ban eriyan be owo kan gba o eriyan owo kan gba o ni eyan mai settle now obedi 1 million we ba 1 million e no bukan o de go di no pa no wa ro bi ra no ro o bukan is okay o ro bi o ro ni o mo ro ni la dia we live video this gwa ige bi ne la ma setting do we oni na we la dia we do gun we no odo explain a side of it okay ke giro igbo igbo yan fi go di no umagi ru de go di if forget we no ya fi no gira be ni me gwa je na o no ma guje me wo se bo ragbon no ma guje me wo se bo ragbon no o gije me bo ragbon no ya o dan ya gije me bo ragbon be ni je me na wuna that person can never be my friend o ma na be o si rabe except if you are si me never to the end wa no be o si rabe o ya o dan ya ki rabe a o dan ni ya ki rabe no ko no ba do bi yan si me ke gba wa wo a si ko e because o ma ja wo dan o ma ja wo si ya ki rabe no ma buje me wo se bi je me ragbon do bi yan do gun me wo se awa wo akobe gan ya si won wo wu no gbujo fe owo ma ho ni bi e nware we no gwera me bi je me ya we no gwera me juju ya zanzin ra me o ju ni ya zanzin je me uma gwa lo mama gbon mi uma gwa lo mama gbon me no ka we era me o e ba no na we ka wi me be yo e so me se ti go ma be ni wo se o we be nu wa value na value go to sera value 1 million so ruan we no ruan o wi me je na ni a o ruan me wa won ruan we no wi me je na o ruan pa do gun yan o gun ruan me o doju nu de asa so ruan mi o ma be no wa po e kan be ni o ma ni o gian me wa no o gian me wa no o no gugu o ruan me wo o no gugu ruan me po be ni mi no gugu ruan me na ni o gian me no so when I would day 1 million kake go di when I forget it now when I ya was ma won wa ku agui $1 aga no pe you are just running for nothing wa be settle back there or 1 million on maybe also to make up worth 2 million plus gold no really no pa ni so to make up worth 3 million 1 million by 3 million when our customers in review again and no how you still realize more than that our customers in review again no do pay 1,000 euro every month in me so all those money ni we realize na we gani when we obi ari kere nu we when we ja go we gani na ya share abe ba e ya fe that time so we know wetin dey no why make una not say we don't know wetin dey we know wetin dey we know everything we know every you understand why we know wetin dey so we just say make we just when our we go una ga go wa no be say we don't know wetin dey o we ma wa fi go na wa na ge be ni wa ya gbe he yan we no gbebugo e ka wi yen gbese so pe no ja o ge ogbebugo so wa na no wa gbe na ti gbe we no wa ya gbe wa so a ho ri mama be wo ma ga we dey look na so e ka wu wa bo e giro igba ga ke video ga ye kona ai ya ke video no ga wo na ke what is this one dey talk ige mami relevant something we ba ni e na wa birthday o sit down wa wo gba aro so you will remain together so maybe later maybe a na care for next year so we do reconcile well forget my sister take this 3 million or e mama do jere abe customers no view again wa gba kokwa we sort and water be dem so we take ante do sound like ante do well aga no pe ministry when me na e ko wa block e ba ni aga no pe no way aga no pe re bible na e boloni a ma si ya yo vania ya be ti e o awo so aga no pe we agbaga no pe e bono e re bible so when ni ma je ere no pa no re musi african wa we start we ya mo e brafra yes you know the spirit where dey for brafra now be ye gbe no mo brafra re unless e brafra e was set in mo ojuku e come to boy no de gbe do temu oni ma le ari Israel oya ma ya gbo go we ra bi je abi Operation Python dance a brafra spirit reba was the spirit ni mana different yana ya won yana ya jinya ya won more Operation Python dance ni a dance me keni if really there is a spirit wa tell me why before aketa o ro pado ta ma yan we na ga a spirit of pano wa ro ma no nya lese ai no lay the foundation of brafra left one ogbata to we you le I will value them for all that they feel Abidjan that time. You know how many years he spent for Abidjan before he come back? Huh? You know how many years is not be with talk? See you. Go ask the story. If you know witness and go ask the story. They will tell you. Because I still can't tell you that they give me money like that. And when I na me know my people, in have a daily your dead, they yam ya print a back there for yam ya dead. You're the mind in a picture no print. I will wallet here as no printing one while ya dele, Nikau. Picture Nikau, I went you over. What the you will posse, what the you do here, so then I got my Nikau, it is me now, cow, Nikau, Gamo, Nikau, everywhere. Nika ga ego ni san I tire from now eni aga we bibiza na mi ata me artist here eni aga we bibiza eni ka go ni san so me o hian rupo igo ni wa gwa lo be na at the end of the month yen wa the 1,000 euro each of them wa the gijore ijian ni ka wa tok pe o society wo iwe uno menika wọn no guna wa re gbodu wa eriru wa gele gba enika o wa han ha we enika wa ra to pe listen to yourself enika o ma no guna no wo wa no guna ga iwe to pe e ba ni na we he ibi edo na bi an wa ji he na sometimes me deny do bi an wa je be na o ma no guna be ni je me guna de ba nika o de you hear how they you hear the baby the only time we only tell my mother and we rest in peace ya we mwere just e dey was say o we ni do ka we je mi atok pe wo be bu na we wo de pe ya atok bu di no de pe pe bu di ba me ma be ni we ya bi edo wala ho bu wa to ta no wa o e me no wata ibe la jare do gwan jo na yan na ke do stop ni ka wa atok pe so na hu ya wari mi na yan wa ma o ma mi na mi o eso we wari mi na wa mi dia ni yes go na wa hi level wa de na wa mo bible mo bo dia ni yes ge I dia ni yes ge ra gbon yan mi na ti bible boya we ke na hi we pu se e ba ni dia ni yes ge we pu se e ma ke no ro e ma na ku do boya enya vino do enya ya ra ebu oro egbe ya fefe ya wa mieri dia wa zan wan ja na be no gi kankan se eyan na fitani wana igo ami na mi ona iga mo bible na iga hi level hian emi no ma o wa gbon o we yin o vien no da ba ra gbon ami da be yin egbu wa wo men sort and water ministry wa gwore mi arere me ministry ogi me gbaji no mo to pe ni keta ya mo ministry ogo me do gbona Ajinomoto ministry una wa me problem. Let me introduce you people to that Ajinomoto ministry. Ajinomoto ni owa mwe 1 kilo of Ajinomoto pass that big sachet ni. Una wa me problem o. Wa ton le one full sachet, wa ton you we. Uwu woman do one more kuyan lo one more he no 1 packet 1 kilo wa ton e wa gugwe. You could hear 1 packet that 1 kilo no one when you wear. Why are you going any name? Why you will be a test of water? Do I go in a car porch way? I may have any have a fair me done here for fair no you are work, be as a fair all problem of you are work, but what up me be while I will be. What will be while you talk? The problem in here I feel you what. So ya do ministry no do gbo Ajinomoto ministry awe ki e no sanadia wo ni suwa ni ope yakwa e ma shi gan ni awe wo wa ni ope yakwa. So it's better you come and join Ajinomoto ministry in Gbo. Anytime any day I can come and put that Ajinomoto ministry. You understand? Ya do introduce why Ajinomoto ministry since matter wa magwale matter so I got tell to ge mawa onu wa ka believe be no e wa je be senania be no nisin joro e wa ye fa no to senania wa u wa ma ye wa matter I can't believe what Bisola is saying ngwa ya dumere ngwa ne ya so kere ruwa you why they believe because even a bisoda ye me TB Joshua many people are coming out to testify when the TB Joshua ya ga je ebo no why you believe why you ruwe ba no ma wo no je be pa no we he oyin wa gwa le power there are people no we no time bisoda we yin gwa le power say ni na yere ba ni o ni get power gin ni ki power so there are still people like that inside the salt and water ministry. There is nothing you will enter. And we hey that water when you have to pa I'm with you a problem ro nyangariba because yerugbe when I can pe je na why you take better man can pe ni for we organic way ogbata to we you left wa one in la jan we pot ni no mo salt and water ji o take we you no ni ya sun la tian ame ya fe kwa ba wo ho salo bo kere na do ye yere ni o wa rere yere lo na we bi anje na we na kan pe ya ka wa meta mu wa na bi anje na ho gi wa re no bi anje na yo ze get to lam la don we pot ni o to lam la do se gbe la don we pot na gbata to we ile ege no gi ya so wa na bi ko ta na we repented of bona ka bodo open awo at the time na the story where it repented of boni aga no pe agbaji aruwa we pot ni o wa yaru we pot ni amebu meni yan zo ejuwe na gbo egina aga no pe ga igala ja o you continue repented of boni no ya de repented of boni yan we de na omiru edere aga no pe la jan we pot ni edere of gene freedom aga no pe to ria ma to ria na I'm just telling you the truth. If you know someone na ye gba we gene pe o ebe nu ya fu pe get that dog at that time because ma ya niga kama we area na no ko na we ma we o we to aswe su fu me agbon hia ko na agbon hia ka we ni mi no pa u hia aswe su fu me de ke nu swe se na ma swe se ro pa ni o ma ese as live we wale wa de gbogbo ere o bu ere odo imi awon re 3 million we ene hunda ina bata na no wa ma gi jo re won wa kaka bo wa happy we get wa have your customers we so are we going here if customers ni efe no e di mo fi ma fi gbo igbo we are 1 million no so aga no put deserve to be given 3 million one so only when you go tama we o jore so ogu àwọn ma ha wa oni ma ko sani mi salubo awu ga wa wo bo wa ga me ye mo ya gbe wa e ti bi yan ga e gbe we pe to ma ke ki gbogbo ato re latian udo to re o ha wa nugu ha wa o nu de gbe be ya support ma we ni ado uje do go to do atebo ni bi edo is not good e di mo fi bebe we ni an okay o there is ariana ni do if you get do fun we ya fefe na you are the origin of everything. There is never a time I because it was one. I will mass one when no one was social media president, social media president. Una kawasu wa una kawaji ni kan wa yasun wa wu. I say ni manike na do lelewe. Oko we can do that and no aguyan ni bu set guyan because you are the origin of everything. All this nonsense we have a fail at it. Beg emania emi da mo keke na yako emi da na wo ya eko bege o mo keke o keke emi si o keke no ma yako wa gbona o keke no ma wu owu gbe jebe gi oni na wa so mi dan na wa so e here fe na do feel pop bai oi wa we na wa we do ri asebe ri ona wa emi egwe jore na igwa o gibe engineer bo ni ma setita o gibe ka me ma we ni awo e be ni and we agogo odo we be yen we here set we agogo egbe ibe di oni ga sun e no gbe be kwesu nu we yi la agogo yin o ga ime no o salo gba no gume o gyan pa yi o gyan pa ma o gyan pa na da no si bi ro are na ri abi bi o gyan pa so pa yi ko bi o pa yi iwala ti egbe ibe di oni wa sin gun wala agogo gi me ka tebe no ma gbo wo ma keke mi na nu wata na wa ge ita e ma ama en so ja me do ogo me bege ni I will do it. So I mean, it take me a video. So I'm not doing it. I'll go. Well, I will go. I'm. Well, I'm not one. Well, I'll go be yeke. You be very only yeke soon. It's very good for you people. One man, wow, no problem. It is well. Ebe ebo ni agbaga no kpuji la wo wa mu wa do ti e ma me o. Ma mi. Ebe ebo le ni ka oje, e vasi ni angbe ni ka oji. Wa do ti e ma me o. Imi ke na e we Jesu ge e Christian. Ige wa gele ko. Ige osalobo agele biwa. Aba ho ge no go ba musi. Ye people. I beg you. Well, total. That's why I just do it. I will not pass like that. Either way, I could sell. So it just reach my people. It didn't make good. Lovely queen. Go yo. I don't tire, bro. Bring them to camera. Okoja o ge. Eri wa gwe. Yoro no bia maze kwase. Yegi contact okuni na musia. Woni na contact Joka boy. Again, no problem. Ami pe wa ko fugbejo ogugwa. Ibe brafra na ihe me mi yan ju wa wo. Nya ka mu wa na when wa gbe mu wa je pe. So wa o ka ko wa gele kudu wa je pe o. So na so it be. Okay, now it is well. Till then, till tomorrow anytime. Amajo, no, okay. So I won't go relax my brother. I relax again for me. Ose mi ya na e na ka yo dokpa. Emi ya e na ka bo dokpa yeye. Awe egbe dano esa enya. Ni a do jogo bo yan we yan jogo bo. Wa jogo bo. Ikene ni ka oje be Bible magume. Era me gi do we Naija worship ni oga am evangelist. Oga am pe ni we jore ona ti a help. Na wo kota iwa no ga we wu pege obele kuku ni ade yo wo sakpaje. Oga we wu pege. Oga we wu pege obele kuku ni ade ya wo sakpaje. Yeje. Oni so wa be Naija worship magi kwani. Kwa no dey talk put here. Naija worship yo we go. Omari yo we go. Olo komi ko si. Ko si kokon to komi nu e. Naija worship ma togene. Togene. Yo we go. The one that was city one away. Oh yeah, outside you where you were yeke. Umala jam any wega no we Naija worship ma. Wala jam wega no ka we Naija worship ma go no na dey wega yeke. Uga fit don die kwa wega ni Naija worship or you we go. Umala jam do ta ma gbon we ni Naija worship we na ge ma. E bangi yo we go dog the radio we go. E ban we na do ka we eri ma. Beg you wayale. Na go hide myself. Anything I do, na go hide to. Go and hide yourself. Naija worship my name no we over there we go. If it's taken an hour na na that what should do go so you know you go no we me have 1,000 euro no we me ani egu ave de kani no very well me no go no me 1,000 euro no me ai any so la dia ave man ni be pa bo nya be so la dia bo yi nya no ni a send go no go de ya then we hen de o we be fiafo ane na ja wo de no we so yi go ha we wa go we o ji ara je nyare no na then we so yi go go sa ja o ave man no ga no go vio go e igni a we vio go abi any red light any light the live video go have we hey Eminia o okay na anointed brother. Who be that number? Anointed brother. Okay. Anna, na good evening. How na day? Na the enjoy na not the ask of me. So, how that side now? How na take the flex the summer for that side? Na kojo. Na do. Ibie san oje. Why ibie san? Bini Aisha will be one. Igbo make una not talk for Bini Aisha matter. If una talk na head na go to settle. Yoruba make una not talk for Bini Aisha matter. If una talk na head go to settle. Fulani make una not talk for our matter. If una talk for Isha and Bini matter na head go to settle. So we are one. We are one blood. One. So we know what they go on. We know how we do settle ourselves. You not be like say mama put the quarrel. So another person will go talk. Now that person I go take. I go use here take carry the tea waiting for friend. Ihe na-egokwu n'isokwu uhu bigbo ma amụ echi. Ihe na-egokwu n'isokwu egi anọkọ ede no ha no kwanja eze esaletu. Ihe na-egokwu n'isokwu uhu ya ma ya kuto. Ai igbo ebe dotin ya bi igbo no maruwe. Ya maruwe igbo no maruwe ba ji ya wu. Okay, I hear. No problem. I dey hear. Why you gbon? When na you gbon? No. Igbo no ma we matinya. No wala ka wi yan here ogi eru wa yan here baba wo wa na. Nya we no kwa mu gi bia do ya do le village odumegu loro ya se te wo gbi atinye. We know quando si deve na minha nível. E que dia de agora já tô no vídeo. Então põe uma. No problem na. Go for gama chop. Abi na we follow mukuni. O ma me 5 euro meni. Ma me 5 centimeter ma me. So ina no gwale miracle. Abi miracle sikat. Bega esa gbedo bega we san gwana o obi san ogba ye we san gbedo so the ones when we say the reason when we say get sense they know where esa gbedo o da na mi kinya we da na mi ma oyan we san gbedo the one when we say get sense na koko se wo gwa me san mi ra ye correct ya koko iya we edo we san go pa no we san gbedo wana no menere ma gbaro morere kuto o maybe ya we fuware de gwe uwa menine na sumenya ikolo na ye ejere ngwa ya ikolo na yana lusa mejo zumejo wa magi tinki se ya no kwa ya ma o be sana kina no because ere de gba omo no nwa be pera bi je no ona ha we do we san kwa ma ya hu why do la de ora te de me ma be me okpa wa wo wi bi do I don't know de me okpa ni bi do mo bo we bi sai omagi ni ha e ke mi na me obi sai igwe yi me wa once me no time me ho ni me ta ye bi ho I take it as my brother or my sister okpa ma gba hin ni me When I do me go when I do different now when I do me no kwan wa ibo ata ribia do gwono na ribia do na for bini awe kiyan all those women where they sell for market ya we ko ni wa kan we kiyan ya ni kete ni te ibi si bi san ofun ebi do paro ya ni kete ni de ni ya ni wa ihu de ni de we ku se lu o kenu bi ni o ku wa o all market bi san o ya ni wa view ni ka ki gode ibi san wa ku ti aba ni wa ku tan wa ga wa ku ta kenya yeah, what funny, and they will be in charge to set that group. Iheni ya mudeni we sound deni de hotel do ya na we. Iwo ni ya me geni ni ya me deni de ya ma ni ko bu ya ye kunya ya di henu. Egeni no la dia bo ya ri ari we ya kuko mo ya kuko to da oda fu ya afu we ya wi ya fefe. Hotel do ma ya bi. O wa na la je wa na wi ye do ma. I don't know. I don't just know. Mother then Wani kaka. Kiruwa na me all those bad news. Wama bien ya si waya ta wana waya kale ni no magba. Wari kuselu market na wa me bi san ya reba ni. Ya de ni kid de ni de no reba ni ya nyai. They hold that place strong. That's why I dey for me they really struggle something. Ya mu wa mu heke let better wari we gani ya wi ya do to ta yo wi ya e bi because again ni me no so far ya demi ke igwere me mai we no total wo we ka dori yo igwa ko wa ri ni igwa jo to igwa mu aga ba tuta ya ke hebe ni ugbo se je me do mu ja ke be ki ami aro de ugbo se do na ge ya na me amero igbo ya we ya de be ki wa ri wo ya le bai meti de ma mu ne me pa be ki ya ki ni ya ki ne ni ke igmo ni eji agbedo hin okay memo I kweni nya ihe because again we my we no suffer ya dey we if you sami no reba ni ya rio so that is the reason why they na kweni akere we ni ma bi ya wa ti ya be ni bi the same thing ye wa no ona do aka na we bi edo di ma just try for now okay oh now the bye till then Shedrack make you greet your brother for me oh now let you want see so greet them for me. Abi o edogbe san gbedo we are one na so bye bye abe mo na ne gboto na abe ni ma ne gbe ni do afi ni para